Hi, what's up? I'm Fat Papa. Today, let me show you how to make the egg roll. It's good for the kids' snack or for the side dish. Let us begin. So you can see today's ingredient is really easy. But the main thing is not the ingredient, it's like how you cook it and make it easy. For the ingredient, you will see we have 4 eggs, and then sweet cooking rice seasoning, soy sauce, sugar, and a little bit, a pinch salt, and that's it. And you mix them together, you can cook. But mostly you see online, you do the cook on this Japanese style egg rolls. They will use a special pan, but today I will show you how to use the 8-inch pan, and you can easily make it also, and you still can have a good snack or a side dish for your kid. Sometimes the kid, they might not want to eat the meal, but if you have this egg a little bit sweet, they will be enjoyed to eat it and with their meal. So after we put all the egg and we put 1 tablespoon sugar, then we put a pinch salt, and then we put 1 tablespoon of the sweet cooking rice seasoning. This one you can find in most of the Japanese supermarket or grocery store. Then we have 1 teaspoon soy sauce. After that, you mix it well, then you can start to cook. And be sure you mix them well, because you put the sugar and a little bit salt, so you need to make sure they mix well with the egg before you put in. Otherwise, you will taste some areas is sweet, some is not, or some is salt. And after you mix it well, and then you prepare your pan, I will really recommend you use the non-sticky pan. That way will be much easier, and you can use less oil. Mostly you see the video, they will teach you and then tell you to put more oil. But the way I do is like after you put the oil, you use the paper towel to wipe it, and then just make sure even on the side they will have some oil, and then it won't be sticky. And then the extra oil, you just take it away, and on the fire we use the medium, not the high hot fire. We put in the medium, so not too hot. And then that is the oil you need. As you can see, that you don't need to add oil after that. So now you do it look like you doing the pancake. You just put a thin layer, and then you make sure to balance it, and then mix them like the whole pan. And then you just wait for a little bit. You don't need to wait them to be well cooked. You just wait a little bit, and then try to make them well balanced on the pan. Then you can start to flip it and then roll it to be an egg roll. See, as long as you use the non-sticky pan, and then it will be pretty easy. You don't really need to have that rectangle pan, the special pan. You can use this pan easy, so you just roll it. And when you try to roll it, just do it slowly, no need to rush. Just slowly to roll over, and then it will be easier. And don't worry about in the middle you still see where it's not cooked, because you will keep inside the pan, keep cooking. So later on, when you're done, you put few more layer, and then the middle will be well cooked. So after you roll it, you just put it on one side, and then you can add the second layer, and then to make the egg roll bigger. See, you don't need to add any more oil after this if you use the non-sticky pan. Otherwise, you may need to add a little bit oil on it to make sure they're not stick. So now you see, you just mix them well, and then make sure the egg you put in they stick with the egg roll. So when you flip it to roll it over, then they will stick together, make it look more nice. And then see, after it got a little bit, and then you can roll over again. Don't rush. As long as you do it slowly, don't rush. They should not be a problem to flip it over. And the size I do, it can give you if you use the 8-inch pan properly, you can cut 8 pieces for the kid. If you want to make more, then you can add more egg and then just separately to do it 2 roll or 3 roll. That's up to you, but for me 1 roll for 2 kids is enough for So now we have the third layer. We roll over, and then when you do it, as long as you get bigger, you need to do it more slowly because they get heavier. And after that, you put the final layer. And after you're done, make sure these tapes, you need to put it on the side for 2 minutes to 3 minutes. After it's done, don't rush to cut it in little side pieces. Because the reason is that you put on the side, let the heat inside the egg roll to cook the final step. So make sure the egg is well cooked. If you put on the pan to cook it, and then the outside will be overcooked. So if you want it to look nice, then after this layer done, you can take it out, put it on the plate, and then let it sit there for 2-3 minutes, and then that's it. It will be well done. Don't worry about it. And then you can start to cut it in the size you like, the pieces you want. See, this will be the nice one. My kid cannot wait, so they take it 1 pieces already. So supposedly you can cut it 8 pieces nicely without any problem. If you like my video, give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope you and your kid will enjoy this egg roll. I will see you on next video. Thank you. Bye.